Greenfield Borough Council has a problem with supply orders going wrong. Across 4 departments, they process around 120 supply orders every month, but the current error rate is 23%. That means around 28 errors every month, 21 staff hours lost, and an annual cost of around £8,400. That is nearly 3 working days lost every month. In week 1, the goal is set: cut the error rate from 23% to under 10% in 1 quarter and recover more than 15 hours of staff time every month. In week 2, the team measures the problem. They review 3 months of data, covering 360 orders and 84 errors. The biggest issue is wrong items, with 31 errors. Next is duplicate orders, with 22 errors. Then unnecessary orders, with 14 errors. Together, the top 3 categories create 79.8% of all errors. The team then uses 5 whys to find the root causes. Wrong items happen because 8-digit codes are confusing, and staff use outdated cheat sheets. Duplicate orders happen because orders are sent individually by email with no clear owner. Unnecessary orders happen because there is no mandatory stock check before ordering. In weeks 3 and 4, the team takes 4 targeted actions. First, they create a top 50 quick reference card for common items. Second, they nominate 1 department contact to manage orders. Third, they add a mandatory pre-order stock check. Fourth, they consolidate stock into 1 labeled cupboard per department. To hold the gain, the process is controlled. Forms are locked so they cannot be submitted without the stock check tick. Quick reference cards are owned by procurement and refreshed quarterly. Department contacts join a monthly 15-minute huddle. The team also monitors performance. Errors are logged weekly by category. Trends are reviewed monthly. If errors stay above 12% for 2 months, the issue is escalated. By week 8, the results are clear. The error rate falls from 23% to 9%. Greenfield Borough Council hits the target, reduces waste, and saves staff time. This is practical continuous improvement. Define the problem, measure the data, analyze the causes, improve the process, and control the result.
Real-life improvements. Use SimplicityHub for your resources.